What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. And this time, I have a very exciting model that I've been wanting to get my hands on for a very long time. And that's the KLM 787-9 by Aviation400. Finally, they released a -9 variant. This was a April release of this year, April 2024. And yeah, very excited to finally have a KLM 787-9. I've got the 10, I've got the 777s. Still need a 777-200 though. I've got the 300 variant. Actually, that's another one. I'm hoping NG Moles will at some point do a 777-200ER for KLM. But nonetheless, the 787-9 has been one that I've been after for quite a while. And here we have it. So, Aviation400. This should be exciting. It should have the beacon and everything. Their mold is fantastic. So here's the box and everything. Pretty decent box art. Very bland on the back and whatnot, on the sides and stuff like that. But registration is Papa Hotel, Bravo Hotel, Oscar. Now let's get right on into it and take a look at this aircraft. Here we have it, looking really, really nice. Wow. Oh, that's right. This is one of those new ones with the detachable gear. I forgot about that. Ah, yes, that's right. NG Malls is kind of, or sorry, not NG, my bad. Aviation400 has really stepped up the game in terms of they've got the detachable landing gear now and everything, just based on however you want to display it. It also comes with a stand, which is really nice, built in there. So shout out to Aviation400, really going above and beyond, with the beacon, the stand, and the detachable gear nowadays. So we're gonna get it out here. It looks like, okay, so I gotta take this out. So the base aircraft, it comes without, there we go. It comes without gear, the gear attached. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the gear out. Let's just set the aircraft down on the box. We're gonna get the gear out here. Highly detailed gear though. There is a stand, which I won't bother getting that out. But yeah, let's see, how do I get this out of the packaging? I don't want to break anything. Huh. I'm not sure actually. Is it taped? It is. There we go. Okay, let me just unwrap it here. Oh, it's like a little pouch. Got it, okay. There we go. There's a clump of gear. They are magnetic, so they just uses magnets to stick into position. So we're gonna go ahead and get the nose gear slotted in. See, this is, when it comes to something like this, this is okay. This is cool, because you know what you're getting. Like it's a detachable gear aircraft, and whatnot. It's it's not broken in any shape or form. This is what you get, but this is really cool because you can also display it kind of gear up on, just take off or just flying. There is no like covers though. It doesn't come with any like gear covers like some of the other aircraft do. You could fill like the hole with just like a little piece, but nonetheless, the gear is in position, stays in there. They don't just fall out. They're magnetic, so it sticks in there really nicely. Interestingly enough, the nose gear does not roll. The mains tilt and kind of roll. Not really. It's a little wobbly. But I guess that's to be expected with said sort of model. Nonetheless, it's really cool. It's definitely innovative and something new that we do not see with any of the other manufacturers in 1/400 scale. So let's take a look at this aircraft. So here we have it, beautiful looking model. The blue, the beacon, the level of detail, the antennas, everything. Very, very nice. So let's zoom in and take a close-up look at it. So here we go. You got Air France KLM with the Sky Team logo right there by the nose. With the cockpit looking very, very nice. Cockpit windows and everything are looking fantastic. There's great detail there. There's even the little sort of hatch right there looking fantastic. The nose cone, great detail there as well. The gear looking really nice. That's attached in there right now. Main door right there looking fantastic. KLM, very, very nice. Let's see. Orchidy is the name of this aircraft. It appears. Probably butchering that, but that's what it says right there. Looks like Orchide. But yeah, KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, very nice. Got the little beacon right on top there. A fantastic touch that Aviation 400 always does. L2 door there, antennas and the domes. I'm assuming there's two, so I don't know which one's Wi-Fi and which one's not. I'm assuming this is probably the Wi-Fi one. This one's for something else, I bet. Maybe for TV, satellite, or something. Who knows? KLM there on the engines, looking really, really nice. The engine's looking fantastic. I believe these are the GE, or what are these ones? These aren't the, what are these? I forget which ones they got on this, but they look very, very nice nonetheless. Wings and wingtips look fantastic. There are no overwing exit on this aircraft, so there's no markings, but nonetheless the wings look fantastic. You got L3 there. This is kind of the emergency exit right there. Bulk bin door here at the back, the Flying Dutchman, the registration with the Dutch flag, the flag of the Netherlands, and then the European Union flag right there. L4 door, Boeing 787-9. KLM tail looking fantastic. This is obviously in the new livery with this sort of swoop here, the darker blue line, looking fantastic. Take a look at it from the front. Very, very nice. We'll spin it to this side, and we've got the cargo door up front here. Some great details and great markings all around up here, as you can see. Looking really nice. Zooming it out, this side, and then the back here you have the aft cargo door right there. Looking very, very nice. So there you have it, guys. We'll take a look at the top-down version, or top-down of it. Looking fantastic on the bottom. Got the registration right there on the wing. Nothing on this side. And looks fantastic. There's the little beacon right there, as you can see. Got a nice little striped, red and white antenna right there. And overall, excellent job on the details. Aviation 400, as always, killing it with the models. Yeah, an absolute stunner of a model. Very, very happy to have this one in the collection. Finally adding a 787-9 to the fleet for KLM. I'm sure NG Malls or someone else is going to make some of them at some point, but it doesn't matter. I've got this one. This is more than all I need. So got this one. Happy to have it. Unless maybe they do a special at some point. Yeah. So really, really excited to have this. I'm not sure if it's available anywhere because you know how it is with Aviation 400s. They go pretty quickly, and especially a 787-9 for KLM. One hasn't been released in a very, very long time. So if you can find one, I'd recommend getting it. If not, I guess we'll have to wait for hopefully maybe NG to do one. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, smash that like button. Subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.